create planets, outer spaces, galaxy, universe, open all, use computer language program, open all, search internet for blueprints, quantum computing, quantum D-wave, yes, infinite dimension, yes, averius.co/mining, avrius.co/mining, cryptobrowser.com, coins.ph, Gcash. Magsasanib pwesa na para sa mithiin na ating inaasam. To make a human resources or resources over open all resources, make new resources right now. Not just a royal family, but also I am the man who sold the world. I will buy all of you with my own hands to make the man who sold the world. Yes. Lahat ng mga girls, all girls are mine. Lahat ng mga babae ay sa akin. Tapos naman, yung mga lalaki naman, magkakaroon din naman ng babae, pero human AI robots na siya, which is ligid totoong tao din naman yung mga robot, kasi papunta na tayo dun eh. Kaya maghanda na sa revolution ito pag nagkahalo-halo na to. The man who sold the world. We pass up on the stair. We spoke of was and when, although I wasn't there. He said I was his friend, which came as a surprise. I spoke into his eyes. I thought you died alone a long, long time ago. Oh no, not me. We never lost control. Your face to face with the man who sold the world. I laughed and shook his hand and made my way back home. I searched for foreign land. For years and years I roam. I gaze, let's stare. We walk a million hills. I must have died alone a long, long time ago. Who knows? Not me. I never lost control. Your face to face with the man who sold the world. Who knows? Not me. We never lost control. Your face to face with the man who sold the world.